Today, let's create an improvisation in the key of A flat minor using a 4-note riff, and let's stretch it out and even flip it on its head. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here every Thursday. I would love for you to subscribe if you enjoy the content, as this would really help me out. So let's go minor for the max benefit to sound pensive, reflective, and potentially emotional. So let's start with the 4-note riff. We will start on the A flat, E flat, over to the A flat, and back down. And then let's extend it up 1 note to the minor third, D flat. And having this lowered third creates our minor sound. Let's do that as a run. Now let's start pulling and stretching this riff out to see how we can exaggerate this emotion. So as we step higher with our left hand, let's also step lower to create a bit more tension in the harmonies. Now before we extend this riff in 2 more ways, I was wanting to check in with you guys and see from where in the world you are today joining me at Teach the Love of Music. I'm in Queensland, Australia, and it's a currently sunny Queensland, which is warming up our spring days. Hi to you all in the US, g'day to the Aussies as well. Hi there to India, and hello to the UK, and also Argentina, welcome. And if you're from another country that's not coming up here to me, then a big welcome to you. Please say hi and let me know where you're watching from today. Now to flip this riff totally on its head, let's step up the bass note while the upper note comes down. Let's start down on this low A flat here. And just because it sounds pretty, let's now pull both parts down in the same direction as we play our E flats, G flats, Fs, and E flats all together. Well, thanks for joining me. Happy music making, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.